Today, we're diving into one of the most pressing questions people face worldwide. Which profession should I choose? This is a dilemma that transcends borders and cultures, touching the lives of millions. Whether you're just starting out or considering a career change, this journey can be both exciting and daunting. Career counseling is a common step, but even after receiving advice, the question remains: which path to take? Imagine meeting a highly successful doctor. Despite their achievements, he has done many surgeries or consults a lot of patients and earned lots of money. But they might confess when you were asked, "Are you happy with your profession?" that they never truly enjoyed their work. This isn't an isolated case. It's a global phenomenon. A staggering 99% of people feel some level of dissatisfaction with their careers at some point of time. Some feel at college life and switch to another program, and some after graduation or in the starting phase of their professional lives. They wonder, and some do not change their field, but think, what if I had chosen a different path? This sense of doubt is something we all experience. Think about the last time you were at a restaurant. You ordered your meal, but when you saw what others ordered, you regretted your choice. Similar, I wish I had that mobile late. This is a tendency of a person, due to the psychology of a person. Similarly, men say that they like others' wives more. They always say that my wife is very bad, and this other's partner is so good. This also happens with men, in the same way. Women always say that my child has lagged behind. Other people's children have gone ahead, and similarly, in the case of profession, every person thinks that if only I had left that profession instead of this profession. Let's take a step back in time. About 20 years ago, becoming an engineer or a doctor was the pinnacle of success. Parents would dream of their children entering these prestigious fields. From underdeveloped countries like Pakistan, India, Bangladesh during the 1970s and 1980s, entire batches of medical students were invited to the US due to the high demand for doctors and engineers. Today, this trend continues, with countries like Australia, Japan, and Canada still valuing these professions, making immigration and nationality easier for them. The turn of the millennium brought a shift. Computer science and business management became the new sought-after fields. The internet boom opened up a world of opportunities for those with skills in these areas. Universities adapted to teach these skills, and many people found success and happiness in these new domains. Today, we are witnessing another shift. Digital marketing, e-commerce, and artificial intelligence are the dominant fields of the global landscape. About 77% of the world's wealth is tied to these sectors. Cybersecurity has emerged as a critical field, with huge demand in Japan, Europe, the US, Canada, and even India. Unfortunately, underdeveloped countries still lack domestic cybersecurity firms despite the widespread use of smartphones. As technology continues to evolve, subdue career opportunities. Cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, digital marketing, and e-commerce are the frontiers of today's job market. There are lots of online courses available for career development. These courses can help you navigate these modern professions. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of career choices. Remember, the key to a fulfilling career is finding a balance between your skills, opportunities, and passions. Whether you're aiming for traditional professions like engineering and medicine, or new-age fields like cybersecurity and digital marketing, the world is full of possibilities. Keep exploring, stay curious, and never stop learning.